my God! Whoa! Alright folks, I've wanted to ride this bike for so long. RC8C. I don't know why today it happened. Thanks to this gentleman. Oh, you fucking rule, man. 1 of 100, baby. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, I was. I still am.
No TC.
This is a raw.
Weighs nothing. Yeah, it seems like that. I think you appreciate that because that's the kind of bikes you like, you know?
Alright, press that start button.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, wow. Ah, thank you. Oh my God, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
Yeah.
Wow, it's tall. Oh my God, I've wanted to ride one of these for so long. This is as close to like a real deal race bike as you can get. Honest, like there's nothing that's gonna be like this. Holy crap! Man, it feels like a race bike. It's intimidating. Actually, like, my heart rate's up. I'm a little nervous. Gonna do a nice warm-up lap. Feel it out. I'm not even gonna come close to touching Brandon's time. It's funny because you talk about the V4R and you're like, it's as close as you can get to a GP bike, but I don't know, this is like real race bike stuff. Oh! Oh my God! Wow! Okay. Whoa! On throttle! Whoa! Holy crap! Taking it nice and easy. God, you can point it exactly where you want. Hard work. .3, and I wasn't even trying. I wasn't even trying. This is the greatest bike ever! This is the greatest bike ever! Oh my God!
Got an orgasm?
Yeah!
Your eyes are rolling, bud.
Oh my God, dude! Look at this after 5 laps. And I wasn't even trying, dude. It's like, oh my God. It was laughing at me the whole time. It's like, is that it, really? That's all you can do? Oh, dude, thank you again. Oh my God. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, you can go under 2 minutes, no problem. Easy. Comfortable, yeah. It's the fastest I've gone. After 5 laps.
Oh, this feels sick. I'm riding an RC8C. This is number 1 of 100.
Yeah.
What? Eric! This is 1 of 100.
Wow.
Oh, shit!
Wow.
Oh, it's so cool.
Better talk while you're riding.
Oh, gosh. Oh, this is so cool. Ah, go. Gosh, it's so smooth. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. No way. Oh, this is race bike, baby. Jump out of it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is just cream central. This is awesome. Oh, I'm gonna blast past Yams. I've never felt anything like this before. Of course, the thing I'm stuck behind is another KTM. Just a little bit there. Whoa! Oh, this thing's great! Oh, God, I'm still shitless my stomach in the corner. Oh my gosh! Oh, this is insane! I'm probably doing 220s. Oh, I don't care. Sorry for that 400. Woo! 205, is that what I see there? Oh, God. Oh, this is insane. My legs are on fire. Whoa. Hello. I'm sorry, I should have taken you out to dinner first. RSV4. Fucking out dragging RSV4, baby. A little cross up there. Ah, I ruined the lap. Come on, buddy. I don't even know where the limit is. It feels like it's galaxies away. A little short shift there. I sound like a little girl, I don't care. Oh my gosh. Watching this video, it's gonna be like, oh, why didn't you get on the gas here? Why didn't you do that? It's not my bike! And this is more than I'm making you. Oh my gosh. How could he just let me take this thing? I have to give this guy a hug when I get back in. CBR 1000. Wow, so much later on the brakes. I've never ridden a bike that gives such good feelings, even when it's trying to kill you. Oh wow, those brakes! Practically parked it in the corner. Oh, I have a headache. Holy hell. Oh, I'm out of breath. Wow. It only did a 2024. Oh my gosh. Oh my heart is pumping. Oh my god. Holy hell, that is fucking awesome! Oh, dude, I gotta give you a hug for that. Oh my god. That thing is amazing! I gotta get me one of them. I don't think I've ever smiled so much.
Keep watching Yammy Noob.